How to get IKEA family, coupon, and deals. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can join the IKEA family to get different kind of deals and coupons. First thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for IKEA.com. And from here you could select your region or your country, as well as your language. And at the top of your screen you can find the option for IKEA family. Just click on it. Now you'll be taken to the IKEA family page where you have an option to join the club. There are a lot of benefits to the club, like you can get IKEA purchase vouchers, you can get family prices with certain discounts, you get preferred information, birthday gifts, free tea or coffee at IKEA every day, Monday to Friday, prizes and surprises, and all of the good stuff. Now you can just tap on join the club button and make sure to log into your IKEA account. Now once you tap on the join the club button, you should be able to log in and then just fill out something they ask for and you should be able to join the club. And after that, you'll get different kind of discount codes and coupons. Now the next step is you can search for IKEA coupons, and as you can see, IKEA itself offers various coupons and discounts particular to the family members. And you can also find deals like 5% off home furnishing purchase after buying an entree at this Swedish restaurant. Or you just scroll down and find different codes here on these websites. Now it's completely up to you. You can explore with all of the codes. Click on see details and then copy the code. Once you've copied it, while you check out of your IKEA page, you should be able to use it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.